What if I told you that your brain isn't aging as you think? Imagine if memory loss and forgetfulness were not signs of decline. What if they were just your brain craving a crucial nutrient? This compelling idea is backed by science. Your brain has the ability to reverse its age on a cellular level. It can become sharper, faster, and more resilient. How? Remarkably, it can start in just 1 hour. For years, the common belief was that memory faded and was lost forever. But groundbreaking research, including Nobel Prize-winning studies, has proven otherwise. Our brains are not fixed. They are adaptable and constantly hungry for growth. The key player in this transformation is BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as the lifeblood of memory. It fuels the growth of new brain cells and strengthens the pathways that connect them. It repairs damage caused by stress, aging, and inflammation. Most importantly, it enhances your ability to learn, recall, focus, and think clearly. Studies show that individuals with higher BDNF levels perform better on memory tests and age slower. They maintain their mental sharpness for longer periods. Here's the kicker. You can increase your BDNF levels by an astonishing 143% in just 1 hour. The solution lies in a single, targeted nutrient. This is not a gimmick. It's where neuroscience meets nutrition, delivering shocking results. If you often find yourself feeling mentally off, or if names and information slip away, know this: your brain isn't failing you. It's simply asking for the right fuel. To uncover more details about how to boost your brain health, visit my blog at Fit for Fusion. Remember, your best memories haven't happened yet, but they can, if you unlock the right molecule to make them possible. Don't wait. Transform your mind today.